morning! What's up? This is where I live and I'm gonna show you a bit of my life and what's going on for the last month. This is where I sleep. This is where I sleep. And is where I work. And this is how I work. Let you know, this is what we do. We work the land. We plant some trees for the Pachamama. Yes, abuelita, Pachamama, bring some plant to the planet, some trees. The world needs some trees, so we put the trees in the ground. We plant them and the trees grow, and then there is abundance of fruit for all human beings. Ah! You see rows of trees, many trees. Many trees are growing, many trees are growing in the sky. Ah! And this is where I play. It's a good life in the nature. And the sun is rising. And live as one, live as one. And love yourself. Love yourself. Don't forget to love yourself. Love yourself, na na ne, oh, na 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 ni ne, na 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 ni na ni ne, rati di do, bom bim boy, אני קצת מפחד לשיר, a bit more nature, 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 and sun, hey, 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 we got the sun. I'm running to show you where I poop. I poop here on the ground. You just take a pit, you you make a pit, you squat, and you poop. And then after you poop, you cover it. But there's another option to poop. We built this thing. This is where I poop. Poop, and I poop the poop. You pooped in there, you take the poop out of the basket and you put the poop in here. Then you cover the poop and you get compost. I gotta tell you too, if you were a potato, you were a sweet one. So this is my tribe, this is Yaniv, this is Sasha, they're making food. Most of our food in this place is from dumpster diving. What means we go into places where people throw their food on the floor and we pick it up. And there's so many food that we pick up, and this is life-changing for me to experience. I'm going to show you all the food we gather in this way. I told you we are gathering in dumpster diving, so this is food we bought, but there is so many food, all these, watermelon, melons, bananas, so many food that people throw on the floor, so much. I can't believe how there is hunger in the world. It's unbelievable. Just if some fruit don't look so sexy, we throw it. But it's good, healthy, God-created food. We don't have electricity in here, so of course we don't have a dishwasher. We have a dishwasher to dry the dishes, but we put them in here, very dirty, then here, kind of dirty, and then here, clean. And this is how we clean our things. Very sustainable. This is a pile of poop that we put in the compost to grow the trees. It's amazing. This build tent, which we call the Love Temple. Love Temple. Aha! Love Temple. Hee hee. Woohoo! So to end this video, this is my life right now in nature with amazing, beautiful people, working the land, living sustainable life, pooping on the floor, no electricity, a bit water. We go to a fountain to fill our water. I didn't edit in this video, it will be in the next one. This is a peach. I love peaches. I love you. I hope you all have a wonderful day. It was amazing for me to share this quick video for the world. I'm gonna comment on YouTube, sharing more content with the world, because life is amazing. There's some helicopters. God bless. Love you all. Hallelujah. And thanks to all the Patreon that still help and sustain me. I don't know if you know, but I didn't upload the video and I still got the support, and it's warm my heart. Even if you leave, I love you anyway. I love people, I love life, I love myself. Much self-love. Again,